future. Today, we are witnessing one of those game-changing moments for Pakistan. It's a story of powerful new machines arriving from a trusted ally and a groundbreaking partnership that promises to redefine the nation's defense capabilities for generations to come. This isn't just about new hardware, it's about a strategic vision taking flight. So stay with us as we unpack these exciting updates, because what's happening right now is set to make history, and you will want to understand why it matters so much for the entire region. The big news starts with the Pakistan Army Aviation Corps, which has just welcomed a delivery that has been anticipated for years. The first batch of brand new Z-10 attack helicopters has officially arrived from China. These formidable aircraft, often called Fierce Dragons, were transported in disassembled parts via massive cargo planes, a standard procedure for such sensitive and valuable military assets. This arrival marks a monumental step forward, bringing state-of-the-art aerial firepower to the Army's fleet. It represents the culmination of years of planning, negotiation, and strategic alignment between Pakistan and China, two countries with a long history of military and diplomatic cooperation. This delivery is much more than a simple equipment upgrade. It represents a profound modernization of Pakistan's aerial combat strength. For nearly 40 to 50 years, the Army has been operating with older helicopter models, and while they have served admirably, the need for a modern platform has become increasingly urgent. The Z-10 helicopter is a leap into the 21st century, equipped with advanced avionics, powerful engines, and a heavy weapons payload. This infusion of modern technology addresses a critical gap and ensures that the Pakistan Army can effectively meet the challenges of the contemporary battlefield, responding to threats with greater speed, precision, and lethality. The process of bringing these new helicopters into service is now underway. At an undisclosed Army aviation base, skilled technicians are meticulously assembling the aircraft, preparing them for their operational duties. This initial batch is reported to consist of 4 to 8 helicopters, forming the vanguard of a much larger order. This is just the beginning of a phased induction that will see Pakistan's fleet grow significantly over the coming months and years. Each helicopter that is assembled and cleared for flight represents another building block in a stronger, more resilient national defense architecture, signaling a new chapter for the armed forces. The journey to acquire these helicopters has been a long and complex one, making their arrival all the more significant. For years, Pakistan explored options from different countries, including attempts to purchase American AH-1Z Viper and Turkish T-129 ATAC helicopters. However, these deals faced significant hurdles, often due to international politics and export restrictions beyond Pakistan's control. The successful acquisition of the Chinese Z-10, therefore, is a major strategic victory. It demonstrates a decisive shift towards reliable partners who can deliver on their commitments, ensuring that Pakistan's defense modernization plans are not derailed by external pressures. This moment closes a chapter of uncertainty and opens a new one of dependable strength. The Z-10 helicopters are not just new, they are immensely capable. The export version, known as the Z-10ME, is a powerhouse designed for the modern battlefield. It features a robust engine, advanced defensive systems to protect it from enemy fire, and a reduced heat signature to make it harder to detect. With a combat range of 800 kilometers and the ability to carry over 1,500 kilograms of weapons, it can strike deep into enemy territory with a variety of missiles, rockets, and a powerful cannon. This capability is a direct answer to the evolving security landscape in the region, providing Pakistan with a credible deterrent and a powerful tool for counter-terrorism and conventional warfare scenarios alike. While the helicopters are now on Pakistani soil, the official celebration is yet to come. The military is planning a formal induction ceremony in the near future to officially welcome the Z-10S into the Pakistan Army's fleet. This event will be more than just a parade, it will be a powerful statement to the world about Pakistan's enhanced military readiness. It will showcase the new assets to the nation and its allies, marking a proud moment for the armed forces and the engineers who are bringing these complex machines to life. The ceremony will symbolize the dawn of a new era for the Army Aviation Corps, one defined by cutting-edge technology. Looking ahead, the integration of these helicopters opens up even more possibilities for collaboration. There is already talk of equipping the Z-10 platform with advanced Turkish weapon systems, such as UMTA's anti-tank missiles and Sirit laser-guided rockets. This potential fusion of Chinese and Turkish technology on a single platform would create a uniquely customized and highly effective weapon system tailored specifically to Pakistan's needs. This forward-thinking approach highlights a strategy of not just acquiring technology, but also adapting and integrating it to maximize its potential, creating a truly formidable force for the future. While the Army celebrates its new helicopters, the Pakistan Air Force is forging its own path toward an exciting future through a deepening partnership with Turkey. This collaboration is moving beyond simple purchases and into the realm of true strategic cooperation, focusing on joint manufacturing and technology sharing. Recently, high-level meetings took place that signaled the seriousness of this alliance. Turkey's Minister of National Defense, Yasir Güler, visited the Pakistan Air Force headquarters, engaging in detailed discussions with the Pakistani air chief and top officials from Turkish aerospace industries. These talks were not just diplomatic formalities, they were working sessions aimed at building a shared defense industrial base. The most exciting outcome of these discussions is the plan for Turkish aerospace industries to establish a major defense manufacturing facility right here in Pakistan. This would be a joint venture with the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, a cornerstone of Pakistan's aviation industry. The vision is ambitious, to create a hub for producing a wide range of advanced military hardware. This move represents a monumental leap in the Pakistan-Turkey relationship, transforming it from a buyer-seller dynamic into a partnership of co-development and co-production. This facility would be a symbol of trust and shared strategic interests, laying the groundwork for decades of collaboration. The scope of this proposed joint manufacturing is incredibly comprehensive, promising to revolutionize Pakistan's local defense industry. The initial focus will be on the indigenous production of cutting-edge systems that are critical for modern warfare. This includes advanced drones like the renowned Turkish Anka series, sophisticated loitering munitions, precision-guided bombs, and powerful anti-tank guided missiles. Crucially, the plan involves sourcing parts locally within Pakistan wherever possible, which will stimulate the growth of a whole ecosystem of smaller engineering and manufacturing firms across the country. Perhaps the most thrilling prospect of this partnership is the potential for Pakistan to become a production partner for Turkey's fifth-generation fighter jet, the TAI KAAN. While still in its early stages, this second phase of cooperation could see a production line for this stealth fighter established in Pakistan. This would involve a gradual transfer of technology and research and development knowledge, with the ultimate goal of producing the KAAN domestically for the Pakistan Air Force. The idea of building a fifth-generation fighter jet on home soil was once a distant dream, but this partnership with Turkey is bringing it closer to reality than ever before. These developments, both the arrival of the Z-10S and the burgeoning partnership with Turkey, are more than just defense news. They are cornerstones of a new national strategy. For decades, Pakistan has often relied on Western suppliers for its high-end military equipment, a dependency that came with political strings and uncertainties. By turning to trusted partners like China and Turkey, Pakistan is charting a more independent course. This strategic pivot ensures that the nation's security is in its own hands, free from the unpredictable foreign policy shifts of distant powers. It is a declaration of strategic autonomy and a move towards greater self-reliance. The economic and industrial impact of these initiatives cannot be overstated. Establishing local manufacturing facilities for drones, munitions, and potentially even fighter jets will create thousands of high-skilled jobs for Pakistani engineers, technicians, and factory workers. This will not only boost the economy but also foster a culture of innovation and technological excellence. As the local industry grows to meet the demands of these complex projects, it will develop new capabilities and expertise. This knowledge transfer is invaluable as it empowers Pakistan to not only build for itself, but to eventually become an exporter of advanced defense technology in its own right. Ultimately, these upgrades are about securing a peaceful and prosperous future for Pakistan. A strong and modern military acts as a powerful deterrent, ensuring stability by making the cost of aggression against the nation prohibitively high. The Z-10 helicopters provide a tactical edge on the battlefield, while the long-term partnership with Turkey promises to equip the Air Force with next-generation technology for decades to come.